Hello everyone, Install Easy here. Today we're going to show you how to quickly install Evernote on your Windows operating system. Evernote is a note-taking app that allows you to organize all your thoughts and ideas and inspiration in one place. Alright, let's get to the install. Double click Microsoft Edge, type Evernote, found it for us, Evernote download, click on it. Do not click on any other one that says add. Click on this. This is the official website. As you can see, click on it. Evernote for free. They do have a paid version, but we'll go with the free version right now. Click download and wait for the download to finish up. Give it a little bit. Alright, we could run the installation from here. However, close this out. Click on File Explorer, click on Downloads, and double click the downloaded Evernote to run the installation. Close this out, and then basically you click I accept, click next. And here we are. This is Evernote. You could sign up if you want to, and you have different options on how to sign up. You created a desktop icon for us, and if you wanted to pin it here so that it will always be there, just right click and click pin to text bar. All right, and that's it for today. Leave a comment on installs you would like to see on this channel. From the team here at Install Easy, see you next time.